how to be.
No, I pressed.
Good morning, guys. It is 20th of July. I don't know when last we vlogged. I know we didn't really vlog much of Stampede when we went. It's like a country festival. We took some footage, but I don't even think we introduced it and like said what we're doing or anything like that. So if we haven't, my apologies. Here is all of that footage now. And if we did, then hope you enjoyed it. I'm very, very confused, but let's get the day started. So chat to you soon. I didn't really film getting ready because we're just chilling, hanging out, but this is my look for Stampede. Some red lips, lashes, denim on denim. Hope it looks fine. Welcome back to trying to catch up vlog. I really don't know what today is gonna bring, and also don't know if I want my hair loose or tied up. But what I do know is that I need coffee. Very, very strong coffee. Today, well, yesterday was kind of like a pain day, and today is kind of like an emotional day. Endometriosis is kind of kicking my butt lately. So, yeah, just haven't been feeling that great. So I'm gonna just tie up my hair, make a cup of coffee, and I don't know, today's probably gonna be an edit day because, like I said, I'm behind on filming, but it's because I haven't really edited anything, so I don't really know where I am, like where I'm supposed to be. So I don't think that's good. So I think I'm gonna just spend the day editing and spend the day just trying to relax because Endo is kicking my butt a little bit. I still have to make the bed and all that. This is a little bloat update, you know. It's doing a lot better today. I'm cutting out a lot of foods, so the endometriosis bloat is not as bad. Yesterday was really, really bad, but we ate pizza for dinner, so yeah, I definitely need to start cutting out more gluten. So now I'm down to no red meat, no dairy, no soy, and no gluten. And yeah, it's very hard to find food that I actually like and that is going to sustain my body. So right now I'm living off of a lot of chickpeas, which just seems to be working. So we'll go with that for now. But that's a little update on the endo side of things, and I don't really know what else to update you guys on because I haven't spoken to you guys in forever. I haven't done anything, and really, yeah, I haven't really been very active. I've just kind of taken a bit of a break. So back from break now, going to be trying really hard to vlog and edit and get a vlog up for you guys because I said we're gonna weekly vlog and I just haven't been editing. So you guys are missing at least 2 vlogs, I think. So those should hopefully be up by the time you see this. And yeah, so chat to you guys later. Let's go make some coffee. was like a play date and a half trying to make the bed with that one. He's losing a tooth. It's irritating him quite a bit. It's one of these like front teeth, so I think he's trying to swallow it in, which I don't know if that's good or bad. I heard that puppies, sorry, I'm spinning around, I'll stand still. I heard that puppies basically swallow in their baby teeth. Scratch my face. But yeah, I don't know if that is true or not, so hopefully it is. Shame his gums have been bleeding so much, and the smoke and smog in the air from the wildfires. His eyes have been so itchy and like drooping, and like now, I don't know if you'll be able to see, he's like around the floor. I think it's partly his tooth, partly his eye. But yeah, we'll sort that out. I'm drinking my coffee, my strong cup for today. Clearly needed. I'm already so out of breath. I need to really work on that. And it's gonna be dishes and laundry today and tomorrow. Dishes today, well, our job to do dishes today, like on our chore chart, and laundry I think tomorrow, but might do it today because I messed on one of my other shirts, so it needs to go into wash. Bobby, you know you're not allowed on the bed. Titan off. He's gonna test me today. Titan off. I think we finally got him. Mr. Dykes. I like seeing him Agnes. Oh, your teeth is Agnes. No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Just trying to get my hot water bottle.
With you. No, Mr. Titan. Hello. He's losing all his teeth.
That's a trick we should learn you.
What?
Smile!
Cheese.
Cheese! Cheese!
He doesn't like you right now. Look at that face. Not impressed at all. The cheese.
Cheese! Cheese!
Good morning. Whoop, let's not mess or fall down the stairs. Whew. Okay, I look a bit crazy. I'm not quite ready for the day yet, but it is 9 a.m. We did 8 a.m. yoga, which felt great. I have my Charles Quality Fitness yoga thing on. It is so nice and so breathable and so comfy. I'll leave the discount code below that I got. When I bought this, they reached out and we got a discount code, so that's pretty cool. They're really comfy. So I am out of breath. We did a flexibility yoga and I am not flexible. Yesterday we did strength, trying to do it every day. So yesterday we did strength, which I'm not strong either, so it's pretty good that I am starting out and doing more yoga every day. Naomi's coming over and we're doing that. I have my coffee. I have an extra lesson right now. I'm going to be over there at the back, and then I'm going to get ready for the day and we might go shopping. So it's actually something that I'm doing today and I get to take you along. So welcome to the vlog and I'll see you guys later.
Stephen Avenue is really pretty.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Can I picture you beside it?
No. Sunday, we are in Okotoks and we found this little cozy cottage thing. Oh, cute. It looks so pretty. Bobby!
Oh,
Cute. Wait.
little antique things.
Corn and lettuce and beans. I like that. This is cute. Can we have a playhouse like this for the kids?
I like the size of it as well.
It's like a mini little house that they can play in.
Because up to the age of 12, they can still like fit in there. You know, like those plastic dinky ones that you buy at Costco, they last.
Farmhouse sink.
Oh yeah,
I mean, it's now a pot plant, but it's
it's cute though.
I can imagine this whole scene is your office, like the old typewriter, the lantern, the gold fans. It's very much.
It's functioning.
Maybe it is. It's just locked. Oh, look at this candle. It's fake flickering.
Yeah.
It's such a low tide now.
Yeah, it's very empty.
Okay, so I don't really know that I have introed this vlog at all today, but we decided to come out to Kananaskis and just take a nice drive. We stopped at a little lake, Titan like played in the water. Yeah, so we're just kind of road tripping, just kind of like out in nature, in the mountains. So enjoy the scenery, enjoy this little montage video of what we're up to today, because yeah, it's been kind of like a peaceful day listening to an audiobook in the car. And yeah, so we've basically been on this trail. Wat gaan je vullen, wijs? Ja. Dus daar, mensen kan zo van die picknick.
He swiveled in the aluminum seat with its mineral tank, slid back the gas to the outside, his hat, and waved the silver belly back and forth to indicate to Rick we were ready to take.
The next few clips that I'm going to show you is we ran into so many animals on the road. There was like cattle and there were deer, and I saw mountain goats. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them on camera because we were driving. So basically just saw them. And the only thing we probably haven't seen is a moose and a bear. So I don't know, it was kind of a crazy day. Lots of animals on the roads. Luckily people were driving really slow and safe and making sure to protect the animals and stuff like that. So that is the next clip you're going to see, is our crazy encounter with a ton of animals on the road. Sorry if that was a bit high-pitched. I apologize. I am just very, very excited. Hopefully you all can see me. We are at a very cool date night. And Any guesses? It is a drive-in movie theater. We're watching like just some cute cartoon and like put a mattress in the back. I am so excited. It looks like so much fun. So yeah. I kind of told them that what we were doing.
Yeah, I was going to suggest bringing the gimbal, but...
Well, it's not much you can film because you're watching a movie.
Yeah, I would be filming us more than anything else.
Than anything. But yeah, it was nice. We put the mattress in the back with all the pillows. There's a nice breeze and everything. Blah!
Yeah, I'm glad there was a breeze. I don't think it would have been that.
Especially with our car not having any aircon. But there was a breeze. Ooh,
It's going to be
a bit bumpy.
bumpy.
Okay, there we go.
The highway. We'll talk to you when we get back home.
We are full.
Maybe.
I'm tired. Anyways, it was a good time. It was a good date night.
It was a nice day. I enjoyed it.
We didn't realize you could actually order food and stuff there, but now we know.
Now we know it. If we do it
So,
again. Or next year or whenever.
next year, because it ends basically now.
Yeah.
It's about to get real windy, so we'll chat to you later.
Yeah, my soul, it's for you. And although sometimes it's pathetic, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in